Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we have this notorious error in SolidWorks that keeps popping up. So you open up SolidWorks and an error comes in. Could not obtain license for SolidWorks standard, cannot connect to license server, -15, 10, 10,061. Now, how can we solve this error? First, you have to close because you cannot continue beyond this point. The next thing, type LM tools. See these LM tools, then run as administrator. Yes. Now here, go to license file, and you see it's here, SolidWorks FlexNet server. Then go to start or reread server, start server, then server start successful. When it start, go to reread license file, then wait to load for a few seconds. Then it reads reread server license file completed. Now let's start opening SolidWorks. Give some few minutes to load. You see, and it's done. You can now open and browse your files without any error. If you found this video useful, please subscribe so that you'll not miss my next upload.